my fellow oddities. Welcome to another episode. Today's part 2 of our Cera, the Bearded Dragon. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share the video. While you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me. And with that out of the way, let's just get into it. I'd like to preface this video by just saying that I was having some issues with my camera. I did not quite have everything set up right with my memory card, and it kept stopping recording after about 10 minutes, and that was all my fault. So I have a few little parts where it just kind of cuts out. I decided to just go ahead and make this short little video just to go ahead and get it out. And after this stuff, I did go ahead and change my memory card, and everything should be fine after that. But today's video is just going to be a real short one, and it's pretty much just doing some back and forth on my lighter and darker tones up top on the body and arm, just to get most of that dialed in. The palette is a relatively easy one. We're using the same one as we used last time. We have our yellow ochre, Mars black, titanium white, some burnt sienna, and some raw umber, and this should pretty much give us most of the colors we're going to use today. Do your best just to follow along with what I'm doing in the video, and the next video, I promise, will be a little bit more full of content. right, guys, that's going to do it for this episode. I tried to get a screenshot of it where you should be, but I just could not do it. So hopefully you guys could follow along well enough, and we'll continue on in the next video. Remember, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share this video, and I'll see you in the next episode.